I'm always on the search for the best iPhone accessories, since I film a lot of videos on my iPhone 15 Pro. In fact, I film most of the B-roll or product close-ups for these tech review videos with my iPhone. Now, the latest gadget that I found is called the Kenu Stance Plus, a phone grip that has 10 different uses. So in theory, you could ditch the rest of your iPhone accessories for this one. In this video, I'll show you how it works and why it rarely leaves my phone. Before I get into the multiple functions of this phone stand and grip, let's go over some basics. The grip itself is super slim and compact. It's smaller than a credit card and only 8mm thin, weighing in at 3.2 ounces or 91 grams. It's crafted from anodized aluminum and it attaches to your phone via MagSafe. So it's optimized for iPhone use, but you can get MagSafe adapters and cases to use it with an Android phone as well. Now, when using it with an iPhone, you don't need a special phone case, but I do recommend using some kind of phone case to protect the backing of your phone, since this grip is all metal. Now let's talk about the 10 ways that you can use the Kenu Stance Plus. First, you can use it as a phone stand in vertical or horizontal orientation, and even adjust the exact angle. I really like that the foot can be folded in half to balance the grip on a really thin ledge, like a treadmill. I use this setup a lot to watch Netflix or take video calls hands-free. Second, you can mount it on an airplane tray or a similar type of ledge to either watch content or film with it. Now, before I tell you about the other 8 ways you can use the Kenu Stance Plus, here's a word from the sponsor of today's video, Milanote.
Milanote is a tool for organizing your creative ideas. Besides making YouTube videos, I also work directly with clients to produce videos, mostly event sizzle reels and recaps. And Milanote helps me keep track of my pre-production to-do lists in a visual manner. Here's a sample from a recent video shoot that I did for a client. Besides jotting down quick notes and checklists, which used to be the extent of my creative pre-production process, Milanote helps me visualize everything. I can drag and drop important files such as sample videos so I can get an idea of what kind of video my client is looking for, as well as PDFs and Word documents, such as shot lists and face sheets. I always refer to these documents during a shoot to stay on task, and I love having multiple media files all together in one place. Once I have my boards made, I can use the drag and drop interface to rearrange them as I see fit. But perhaps best of all, Milanote exists as both a desktop app and a phone app, and the two sync together, so I can easily see my notes and make adjustments on the fly. If you'd like to try Milanote for yourself, it's free with no time limit. Use my link in the description below to sign up, and start your next creative project today. And with that, let's talk about more creative functions of the Kenu Stance Plus.
Third, the Kenu Stance Plus is also quite moldable, and you can wrap it around relatively thin poles to creatively position it. Fourth, you can mold the back into a finger grip to use it one-handed, similar to a pop socket, but this way you can get more out of it than just the pop socket effect using this mount. Fifth, the lower back panel can be flipped out at a 90-degree angle to reveal 2 hooks that you can attach to a car vent or a CD player slot to secure your phone. I found this to be way more secure and convenient than just sticking my phone in the car cup holder like I normally do. Sixth, you can position the Kenu Plus to be fully open to use it as a selfie stick to vlog or take group photos. Similarly, you can also use the wrapped configuration to make a more solid side grip to grasp onto when you're filming videos or taking selfies. Next, the Kenu Stance Plus also has 4 magnets for making it easy to attach to metallic surfaces. Alright, 2 more to go. Next, this grip also comes with a metal plate with adhesive you can stick on just about any surface to take advantage of that magnetic attachment. I don't have a demonstration of this because I personally don't like to stick permanent adhesive on my stuff, but this could be really useful if you don't mind doing so. And finally, you can use the Kenu grip as a belt clip. This does depend on how large and heavy your phone is, but I do this with my iPhone 15 Pro when I'm at the gym, and it's a great way to hold my phone in place, so I can be hands-free. So those are 10 ways you can use the Kenu Stance Plus phone grip, and there are probably more ways to use it if you get creative. But there are a few downsides. First is the price. It is not cheap, coming in at $80 US, but it is often on sale for $60 or $70. Still, that's a chunk of change. Second, you can't do MagSafe charging with this grip attached. you'll have to remove it to attach the MagSafe charger. Now similarly, you can stack other MagSafe accessories, like a wallet to this grip, but then it becomes kind of obnoxiously thick. So the one reason why I don't use this grip all the time is that I have a MagSafe wallet. And while I don't need it all the time because I use Apple Pay a lot, I still need it on occasion. And when I do, I remove the Kenu Stance Plus. So that's my introduction to this handy little phone grip. Like I said, this is something that I use a lot and it rarely ever leaves my phone. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments below, if this is something that you'd be interested in, or what other iPhone or smartphone accessories that you like to use with your phone. Let me know because I'm always on the lookout for other accessories to review and talk about on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.